A federal judge ruled today the government must return a Maryland father to the U.S. after he was mistakenly deported to an El Salvador prison. And the judge said it needs to happen soon. Kilmar Abrego Garcia was a legal U.S. resident. He was removed from the U.S. last month, despite the fact that a judge had granted him federal protection in 2019. Immigration and Customs Enforcement admitted the deportation was a, quote, administrative error, but the Trump administration had defended the move. NBC News senior Homeland Security correspondent Julia Ainsley joins us now with this developing news. So, Julia, there was a hearing. What happened there? What did we hear from the judge? What happens next?
And Kate, I think I lost you, but I'll quickly tell you what happened in court today. And that's that, yes, they're giving him 3 days to come back. The real question now, Kate, is whether or not the Trump administration will fight this, whether they'll appeal it to the circuit court. It seems today from the Justice Department lawyer that they really don't plan on fighting it because they presented no evidence to show that they could not bring him back. But if they do decide to appeal it, that will really be a matter of appealing to broader public opinion. It could be that they didn't present evidence today because they thought that it would be going too far to show the intricacies of the agreement between El Salvador and the U.S. about the use of this prison.
All right, Julia Ainsley with the very latest. Julia, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.